Today we're going to look at an arpeggio falseta for Buleria, which happens to be a really nice arpeggio workout as well. I actually kind of started out writing this as an etude for arpeggio, and then I liked where it was going, so I didn't make it quite as etude-y, and I just made it a falseta, but it's still got a ton of arpeggio in it and some sort of tricky things rhythmically and technically. So we're going to take a look at this. It starts with a pickup to 12. So if we're coming out of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? 11, we hit the D, right? That pinky on the second string. We're playing the C9 that we play all the time in Buleria, right? So it's, and I should also mention that this is one of those arpeggios that happens all the time in Buleria, where the arpeggio is 3 notes, but we're only playing 2 notes per beat. So if we start on 12 and don't think about the pickup for a minute, we're going 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and back to downbeat on 6. Right? So it's not 12, 1, 2. It's 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and, right? 3-note arpeggio, 2 per beat. So this happens a lot in this falseta. So we start with our pickup to beat 12 with this D, right? 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10, 11 and 12 and 1 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 9 and 10. Right? So the chords are just the C, bass note on G, C again. Right, so that arpeggio speeds up. 12 and 1 and 12 and 1 and 2, 6 and 7, 8 and 9 and a 10 and 11. So there we do have 3 notes per beat on that arpeggio. And then again, 12 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 9 and 10, 11. Right, this is just, this is an A, right? We've got the E, we've got the B flat, we've got an E and then another E. So this is just another nice voicing for A. Sometimes I'll do that. So that phrase repeats. And 12, right? We're barred. We've got C sharp. We've got E, 5th fret of the 2nd string, and then A, 5th fret of the 1st string. Same pickup with the 2nd string, and then same thing at the 1st fret. So this is really this B flat voicing that we've run into before. Same thing at the 1st fret. Right, so we're barred at the 3rd fret. We've got the pinky on the 6th fret of the 5th string, and the middle finger on the 4th fret of the 2nd string. And then we take the middle finger, we put it on the 4th fret of the 6th string. We're going to come back to this voicing a lot. Now we go to an A minor 7. B flat. Again. Now we double up on the arpeggio. Now we double up on the arpeggio. And then we repeat this phrase. So the time up to here 12, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 9, and 10, 11, 12, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10, 11, 12, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So when we come here the second time, 12, we're going to take this chord back to the first fret. We're just playing the bottom 3 strings. And then open. So that's 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then the little tag, 11, 12, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 9, and a 10. Let's just run this falsetta nice and slow to see what it sounds like. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.